Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so till now you have subscribed my YouTube channel, and if not so then kindly don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So in our today's video we are going to discuss about the national symbols of India. There are 17 national symbols of India. The national symbols of India represent the culture and nature of India's national identity. They evoke a strong sense of pride and love for one's country in the heart of every Indian. They were picked up at various times and have been chosen from India's unique flora and fauna and its culture and civilization. So let's start with it one by one. Our first national symbol is national flag, that is Tiranga. Tiranga is the national flag of India. The flag is designed by Pingala Venkaiah and was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 22nd July 1947. The top saffron color indicates the strength and courage of the country. The white middle band indicates peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. The green color shows the fertility, growth and auspiciousness of the land. Its diameter approximates to the width of the white band and it has 24 spokes. The design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 22nd July 1947. Our next national symbol of India is the national emblem of India. The national emblem of India is adopted from lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. Its motto is Satyamev Jayate, which means truth alone triumphs. It features 4 Asiatic lions standing back to back mounted on an abacus with a frieze-carrying sculpture in high relief of an elephant, a galloping horse, a bull and a lion separated by intervening wheels over a bell-shaped lotus. The national emblem symbolizes power, courage and confidence. Our next national symbol is national bird of India, and that is peacock. As we all know, Indian peacock is the national bird of India. A bird indigenous to the subcontinent, the peacock represents the unity of vivid colors and finds references in Indian culture. The Government of India declared the peacock as the national bird of India on February 1, 1963. It is found in the drier lowland areas and is a resident breeder across the Indian subcontinent. Now let's see our national song, which is Vande Mataram. The national song of India is Vande Mataram, composed in Sanskrit by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. On January 24, 1950, the President Dr. Rajendra Prasad came up with a statement in the Constituent Assembly that the song Vande Mataram, which has played a historic part in the struggle for Indian freedom, shall be honoured equally with Jana Gana Mana and shall have equal status with it. The first political occasion when Vande Mataram was sung was the 1896 session of the Indian National Congress. The song was a part of Bankim Chandra's most famous novel Anand Mat. Our next national symbol of India is national currency, which is Indian rupee. The Indian rupee is the official currency of the Republic of India. The issuance of the currency is controlled by the Reserve Bank of India. The Indian rupee symbol is derived from the Devanagari consonant R, that is RA, and the Latin letter R was adopted in 2010. It was designed by Udaya Kumar Dharmalingam. The next national symbol of India is national animal, and that is tiger. Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of India and ranks among the biggest cats in the world. It was adopted as the national animal of India in April 1973 due to the dwindling population of the tigers. Prior to the tiger, the national animal of India was the lion. Next symbol of India is national anthem, which is Jana Gana Mana. The national anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana, was composed originally in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore and was adopted in its Hindi version by the Constituent Assembly as the national anthem of India on 24 January 1950. It was first sung on 27 December 1911 at the then Calcutta session of the Indian National Congress. The complete song consists of 5 stanzas. Next national symbol of India is national aquatic animal, which is dolphin. The Ganges River dolphin has been declared as the national aquatic animal of India by the Indian government. It is also the city animal of Guwahati. The South Asian river dolphin is primarily found in the Ganges, Yamuna, Chambal River, Brahmaputra River and their tributaries. The next national symbol of India is that of national fruit, which is mango. Mango, which is affectionately called King of Fruit, is the national fruit of India. Its sweet fragrance and delectable flavors have won the hearts of many around the world since time immemorial. As the national fruit of India, it represents prosperity, abundance and richness in favor of the country's image. Now let's see our another national symbol of India, that is national flower, which is lotus. The national flower of India, which is lotus, is an aquatic herb that is often termed as Padma in Sanskrit and enjoys a sacred status in the Indian culture. The lotus symbolizes spirituality, fruitfulness, wealth, knowledge, and illumination along with purity of heart and mind. Our next national symbol of India is that of national tree, which is banyan tree. The tree is often a symbol of the fabled Kalpavriksha or the tree of wish fulfillment, as it is associated with longevity and has important medicinal properties. The very size and lifespan of the banyan tree make it a habitat for a large number of creatures. The next national symbol of India is national river, which is known as the Ganges. The Ganges or the Ganga is the national river of India. It originates in the snowfields of the Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas as the Bhagirathi River. Interestingly, Ganga is also the longest river in India. The major Indian cities through which it passes through are Varanasi, Allahabad and Haridwar. Our next national symbol of India is national reptile, which is king cobra. King cobra, which is popularly known as snake eater, is usually found in the forests of India and Southeast Asia. It is the world's largest venomous snake, which is capable of growing up to 19 feet and may live up to 25 years. Our next national symbol of India is national heritage animal, which is popularly known as Indian elephant. The Indian elephant has been declared as the national heritage animal of India native to mainland Asia. The Indian elephant has been listed as endangered and threatened by habitat loss, fragmentation and degradation. So friends, these were some of the national symbols of India. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Kindly don't forget to like, subscribe and get notified for the upcoming videos.